Chez Satoshi, for the love of crypto and coffee. Before to talk about the website Quantify Crypto, I want you to take two simple actions. The first action is subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee, and press the bell notifications to get notified when new video is coming out from Chez Satoshi, a great content crypto creators and the crypto store. And I need to remember Chez Satoshi and stick to it. And the second thing I want you to take action right now is to spread the love about these wonderful channels at your workplace, at your jobs, and the street. Just talk about Chez Satoshi and tell people that they're going to have access great content of value made by Chez Satoshi himself. Great. So let's go jump to Quantify Crypto, a website that I just discovered while watching a great video on Libra. So basically, Quantify Crypto, technical analysis and intelligence for cryptocurrency traders. So they have many things that they're available on the main webpage. They have terminals, I'm going to show you in a few minutes, coin screeners, heatmaps, blogs, strategy, IPY. So Quantify Crypto built for cryptocurrency traders. So they focus on niche traders in mind. This is really important to understand a project, one they want to focus on, because we have so many things in the world that it's really hard to focus on to be the project for everyone. So it's always important to have a sub niche or a specific niche for your crypto audience or crypto project out there. So Quantify Crypto built for cryptocurrency traders. We provide real-time technical analysis to support your trading decisions. Our proprietary trend algorithm calculates the predicted direction of future price moves. It's specifically tailored for the cryptocurrency market. They specialize on specifically, this is a good statement, specifically tailored for the cryptocurrency market. Our state-of-art display are designed to provide maximum amount of significant data on a single screen. So they provide maximum amount of significant data on a single screen. It's pretty cool, as straight from the box. As you can see, I'm going to show you this screen after that. The most powerful cryptocurrency coin screener. Wow. At an advanced web program, it's necessary to track the quickly changing cryptocurrency market. Our screener is customizable and is the most interactive in the crypto space. This is cool. So they emphasize that on the marketing plan, customizable and is the most interactive in the crypto space. It's pretty cool, out of the box. It's the first time I'm using that website, and I put it on my build mark because it's always good to be open to start a new thing or discover a new thing and try two new things. For example, the majority of people use CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, but they have other side website where you can get great insight or great knowledge information in real time, just to rely all the time to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, the major players in the crypto space, for to know the latest project, latest coin, the price movement, all packaging on our website. But this is really cool. You can customize the way you want, so you can track specific coin that you might be interested to. It displays multiple coins and time frames on a single screen. Plus, sorry, in French. Plus, each columns can be sorted by preferred metrics simply by clicking the column header. The favorite coin features allows you to select the coin you want. This is cool. Allow you the select coin you want. Compared to the rest of the crypto space, our screener provides better technical metrics, helping you focus on potential entry and exit point. This is where the screener provides better technical metrics, helping you focus on potential entry and exit point. This is really cool. Smartly scalable heatmap. Look, this beautiful. All those rectangle box, like BTC, BNB tracks, and you see the latest price and the percentage increase and decrease, and a big pictures. A pictures is like 1,000 words, they say normally. I just need to take some coffee before to move on. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell notification, and spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the street, at school, to have access to great content of value. You have all my gratitude. Smartly scalable heatmaps. Keeping track of the fast-moving crypto market can be challenging. This is really true. because they have over 6,000 coins out there that exist. So you need to be on an edge to always find the best information if you trade for your entry and exit point. Our heatmaps use the color intensively to show how the entire cryptocurrency market is performing and which coins are leading the overall market. Bitcoin represents over 60% of the cryptocurrency market cap. Our design scaled down the Bitcoin title size while scaling up to the title size of the leading crypto. What is the point of having a heat map with BTC taking up to 1/3 or 2/3 of the screen? Our design allows the maximum number of coins to be represented clearly on a single display without small. This is really cool because, you know, by market cap, the importance of each coin directly on the heat maps, as you can see here, they provide. I'm going to show you in a few minutes as well. So cryptocurrency we track, this is the philosophy behind it. While they hire over 6,000 cryptocurrencies, the Quantify Crypto team believes that the most of this project will never become viable. This is really true because when they have mass adoption, people will stick to 1 or 2 projects. They will not handle 200 coins. It's humanly impossible. So when we only 168 hours in a week. So normally you have a few times just to check your website or check a specific project. So you don't have time to track 200 projects. So it's very important to focus on your core business. The Quantify Crypto team believes that the most of this project will never be viable. This is really true. I already repeated. We do agree many successful traders are invested in small crypto companies with great success. The reason for this success is due to fundamental analysis and research, because they have two talk of school about it. You have technical analysis and fundamental analysis. But when you know on what you invest, it's pretty easy to make a move and bet on a small crypto market cap. The purpose of our site is this is really important. The purpose of our site is to provide technical analysis based on price movement. So technical analysis. Capping our tracking list, capping the entry links to the top 200 cryptocurrency provides a necessity filter. The cryptocurrency we cover make up over 97% of the total cryptocurrency market cap. This is really cool to discover dots. So basically, when you are on the top 200, you cover 97% of the global crypto market cap. So as you can see, you learn just by reading stuff and main page. So you learn a lot. Everything I'm doing right now, I don't read everything prior to show this video. I'm reading and share my instant talk like a vlog. That is what I like to doing. I can just write my text and put it on my teleprompter and my smartphone and just read and feel more robotic, but it's cool to be authentic and just to share your talk and spontaneously discovering and share this great value knowledge with you that you can use after that. Quantify Crypto, that probably I recommend to put it on your bookmark and try to test the few options they have available on there, like for the terminal, CoinScraper, and emails that I'm going to show you in a few minutes. The cryptocurrency we track meet all the 5 these criteria. Trade on blockchain, transparency, institute approved cryptocurrency exchanges. Maintain liquidity and volume for accurate technical indicators. Trade on multiple exchanges. Trade against Bitcoin. It's not a stable coin. Cryptocurrency trading is unique. Cryptocurrency trading is unique due to higher volatility levels that the traditional asset classes like stock, bond, precious metals, and foreign exchange. Bitcoin has numerous days in the trading history with 25% price swing in a single day. This trading pattern requires analysis and tools designed specifically for early detection of significant cryptocurrency moves. Short-term candlestick periods are needed for cryptocurrency technical analysis due to significant intraday price moves. I need to track this term. It's the first time I see intraday, probably within the day. Anyway, I'm going to check after that the meaning of this word. We consider the 1 hour candlestick the most important for cryptocurrency. You see, you read and you discover a great thing. So you learn that the 1 hour candlestick the most important for cryptocurrency momentum analysis. So just reading and you learn from the expertise of these guys, Quantify Crypto. Our research showed that daily time periods are important for defining market resistance and support levels. Research also showed daily time candlestick period like too much to be used as an entry and exit point for cryptocurrency trading. For example, we feel the 100 MACD and trend algorithm candlestick are accurate momentum indicator, while the daily benchable bands supply support and resistance level. So two things you learn just reading the first page. First example, we feel the 100 MACD and trend algorithm candlestick are accurate momentum indicator, while the daily Bollinger Bands supply support and resistance levels. Really cool. So let's go jump to the next section that I'm going to show you, the terminals. It takes some time to load because probably they just show the latest information while I'm just take some good coffee. And please don't forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel and spread the love about it at your workplace and the street, at your school, to have access quick or ton of value. Thank you. You have my gratitude. So we are on the cryptocurrency terminals. Out of the box, we see the most predominant actor or cryptocurrency in the market at this moment. So Bitcoin is very bullish. So you can presume that, I'm not a financial advisor, but if it's very bullish, so the tendency of the price is going to increase in the short term. This can give you an insight that for an entry point and exit point, with all your indicator that you like to trade. I'm not a big trader because I don't have time with the luxury to stand in front of the computer the whole day because I take care of my crypto kids the whole weeks. So I have short time on my disposal, so I don't have time to trade, because when you trade you need to focus on your entry and exit point for many hours just to make sure that you're going to make a profit. You cannot go and don't track your entry point and exit point. As you can see, they are really bullish for Bitcoin right now. The Bitcoin is already reached for $50,400 to $400. No, 51,440 cents, 5.23% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum very bearish, neutral slightly. When they're very bearish, probably is not a good time to you make an entry point. So probably the trend will go lower. So as you can see, you have a small summary of the heat map. So you have the top coins at the moment on the chart. You can track here the daily winners and losers. So this is really cool to have a good snapshot. LBC just increase of 70% trend. Rose, EWZen, Silo, Titan, IOST, XMR New. So all the coins that's increasing a lot. Strange because I just watched a video from BitBoy and they mentioned about Silo and New on the list, on the latest on the top 5 for February. Strange, 12% and 8%. Probably they have a correlations when they have a lot of people's and the momentum people's buy because they expect the price to increase, so that's the increase the price. But it's strange because I just watched a video this morning for the top 5 of February for BitBoy, and they mentioned about Silo and New. I need to check those crypto. Probably I'm going to make a video about them as well, just because I'm really curious to dig into. Just I don't like to see just a name of Silo. I want to know what the project is, what they're doing, and stuff like that. It's really important for me. So I'm going to show you the low addition analytic. So this is a good metric just to have a good snapshot. Top 20. You have the daily trending positive, daily trending negative, highest RSC, lowest RSC. I'm not from here, but I'm not a trader, but I just took a great books on the about 500 page for technical analysis because I want to expand my knowledge about this area. I think it's important to purchase knowledge. So the more knowledge you have, the more understanding you are. Well, because I love finance and crypto or the stock market or anything that's related to an asset, I love to do that. So it's important for me to understand this RSI. Right now, I can explain what is an RSI, low RSI. I probably need to check some video on YouTube. You have the weekly winners, weekly losers, monthly winners, monthly loser. This is really great. So you just have a website, you go check there, and you can see on one snapshot the world crypto market cap on the top 200. And as well, if you want to know of something, I just find before to jump to the next session, if you want to see all the detail of I just had discovery yesterday. I'm just going to open you on the new tab. So you're going to see the LBC. This is a Libra token. So I think some time to load because you see, woo, it's turned around. I think I need to take some coffee before to move on. And please don't forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee, and as well spread the love to anyone in the world, at your workplace and your job in the street to have access to great content of value. As you can see now, they just opened up Libra. It takes some time to load. So they have all the indicators for the top 200. You can access everything when you click on the icon or the acronym of the token, I mean. And then in the case is LBC, I just click and just open a new trade. Because when you click on the main page, they override the page. So it's better just to right click your mouse, open in your new tab, and then you see all the information without to lose your main page. So as you can see, Libra credit, now they're very bullish. So if you want to trade, I'm not a financial advisor, and you have all the information and the 1 hour's momentum that we see in the previous in the first page. They are very bullish, 82.1%. So this is something that you can pay attention to, be able to trade today and make a profit out of it. To have an entry point, exit point with your indicator, your strategy you use as usual, because they have so many strategies that exist. It's different for everyone's. Everyone that look the chart, they see something different. As you can see, Quantify Crypto trend for Libra Quantify, the 5, 15, 30, 1 hours, 2, 4, and 24 hours, they are very bullish. So they make an assumption, they take that, and they packages. I think they had all this metric, and they divide by 6 or 7. I'm not quite sure about how they come to calculate about the 82.1, very bullish. So probably they have more buyers than sellers. Hellbrick, we see SR. I need to check the ISRI because they emphasize a lot of the Bollinger Bands and RSI. And they have the chart here. As you can see, you see the date and the price movement and the increase now. They have a very bullish. They see a candlestick that they to the moon. They reached at this point, but they reached the all-time high here. Not probably the high-time high, but in terms of Satoshi, in December, they reached 760 Satoshi. Now it's about 364 Satoshi and Bitcoin price. So as you can see, it's really great. So let's go jump to the screener sections or coin screeners. As you can see, now we are on the cryptocurrency screeners. You can track the top 200. And they have over 7 pages. I will not go to see all, but what they emphasize a lot. So you see the latest price on the top 10 here. Polkadot is on top 4. Polkadot, Cardano X. They don't track stablecoin, only assets that can increase in value and price. So you see the Trend Tilly, Trend Destin, Trend Mean, Wonder, B, 1 week Bitcoin, 30-day price, baseline, MACD, RSI. So they see all the metric focuses on MACD, RSI, Bollinger Band. I'm not quite sure if my memory is good. So you see, and big pictures to focus on the coin you want. As you can see, when the my page is frozen. It doesn't go. Okay, so the scroll doesn't work with my mouse. Okay, so as you can see, all the green are very bullish, but now let's take some time. Let me see. Now they have Ethereum 10.0.0, as you can see here. But you have all the cryptocurrency screener, as you can see as well. The page is stuck a little bit. But you can just right-click a page and just right-click and open a new screen. You will see all the details. So the market, probably the price should refresh all the time. So let's go jump to the next sections. The cryptocurrency heatmaps. This is really cool. So in one snapshot, you can customize the coin you track, and you can define your own heat maps, like we read on the first page. I mean, so at the moment you see bullish on ETH dot. BCH just increased 1.6 XMR, but a lot of coin is on the ledge, but it's not a big drop, 0.30%, 1.75. This is part of the Ethereum crypto source because it's a market that's trade for 24 hours a day, 365 days, years. This is insane. So this is a really cool. So you can customize your Binance, so all daily, weekly numbers of coin you want to track, or your own defined favorite coins as well. Bar market cap, gainers or loser. Let's go see if you pour gainers or loser. So you see that the crow just increased almost 10% in the last 24 hours. So they have an opportunity to make a living from that space if you trade, because the volatility, you can make money every single day if you are very patient and have at least 3 screens, because when you trade, you need to see a lot of data. I just have my laptop and a screen on the right side. So probably I don't have the luxury to trade right now. I am more that buy and hold philosophy, because I love to produce content, and when you produce content, it takes some time because you need to do research, you need to record, you need to encode, you need to send your video. So all the time you focus it to produce great content for you to enjoy and have access to great content of value, my friend. So in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee, and spread the love to anyone in the world. Let's go jump to the next sections. As you can see, they have as well the analysis and news that you can access here, the blogs and news. So you can see the latest trends that specifically for crypto trading. So sometime proof technical analysis work, November 2020. So you have everything that is really related to technical analysis. You can find great information to read at your disposal on this tab. But I think the most important, the most really cool to use is the terminal and coin screeners and heat maps on that website. So let's go jump to the next section. This is the trading 101. So trading plans for cryptocurrency. This is the philosophy behind it. So what you want to when you want to trade, you need to have a trading plans for cryptocurrency, price actions, support and resistance levels, and trading process. So price actions, technical analysis for cryptocurrency. I'm going to read it just to have more knowledge, but if you want to read it on your own, I recommend you to do it, because I think an article like this can take maximum 5 minutes or 5 or 10 minutes to read. It depends on the knowledge you have on the topic. And the last sections I want you to present, the IPY sections, IPY documentation. This section describes all the URLs and the associated parameters. We only process the leading cryptocurrency that trade on BTY recommended exchanges. Currently, we support 160 tokens representing 90% of the market cap value of cryptocurrency. So as you can see, it's not even 200, it's only 160. So you can use your IP to be able to track all the data available on that website. So they describe how to use this. At any time, I invite you to subscribe to this wonderful channel. Press the ring notifications or the bell notification. As well, spread the love about this great channel. Put a comment on the comment section of this vlog. Comment and me to know if you we enjoy this kind of content. Put the like as well. Come visit my Australian website, shaysadoshi.com. You can access my podcast as well. Follow me, follow my podcast and my newsletter that I release once a week. And in the meantime, see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. I produce now 7 videos for your pleasure every single day, Monday through Sunday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. I produce a great video for you to enjoy and consume, and hopefully access something of value on your daily journey on the crypto spheres. See you tomorrow, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Ciao, ciao.